Imagine a future where, by 2026, autonomous compliance agents revolutionize banking. In this high-tech vision, compliance teams work on autopilot, flagging risks, filing reports, and avoiding fines without constant human oversight. Agentic AI goes beyond traditional RPA by thinking, deciding, and acting independently. Gartner even predicts that by 2027, these agents will handle 30% of all compliance tasks. The slide's dark blue text, paired with a bright cyan illustration of a futuristic banking interface, showcases dollar signs and innovative AI motifs, emphasizing operational resilience and financial security. As these autonomous systems integrate seamlessly into day-to-day banking, they not only streamline operations, but also set a new standard for regulatory governance and risk management. The design, enriched by a cutting-edge visual style and the Gamma logo, captures the essence of digital transformation. Transitioning from conventional automation to intelligent systems, this slide explores the evolution from traditional RPA to agentic AI. Here, a dark blue background sets a professional tone, as three arrow-shaped blocks illustrate a step-by-step progression. The first block highlights traditional RPA with its fixed scripts and routine execution. The second block introduces Agentic AI, an adaptive, self-correcting system that intelligently manages exceptions. The final block, labeled 2026 Impact, envisions a future where over 3/4 of banks are preparing for these transformative agents, driven by new regulatory mandates like DORA. The clean design with icons of a robot, brain, and rocket encapsulates the shift towards agility and innovation in financial compliance, ultimately offering institutions a smarter, more responsive approach to risk management. How Agentic AI actually works. Agentic AI systems combine 4 critical capabilities that enable autonomous operation. First, perception allows agents to sense data from APIs, databases, and real-time feeds. Second, reasoning leverages large language models to plan multi-step actions. Third, action executes tasks through tools such as Python scripts or RPA integrations, while fourth, memory retains past actions for continuous learning. The slide presents these core components alongside a real-world example of AML monitoring. In this example, instead of merely scanning emails like traditional RPA, an agentic AI identifies suspicious patterns, reviews transaction history, consults sanctions lists via API, and autonomously files SAR narratives. Interconnected AI nodes and clear textual cues reinforce how these 4 elements work together to transform compliance processes. From pilot to production, a deployment story. Deploying autonomous compliance agents requires careful planning and a phased approach informed by real-world experience. First, organizations must define clear goals by establishing specific compliance objectives, such as monitoring third-party risks continuously and ensuring timely breach reporting. Second, building the agent stack is essential by integrating open-source frameworks like LangChain and legacy solutions such as UiPath to maintain operational continuity. Third, training on quality data using realistic synthetic datasets is critical to overcome GDPR challenges while enhancing pattern recognition. Finally, deploying with guardrails, including built-in explainability for every decision, guarantees auditability and adherence to regulatory requirements. This structured layout, with clearly defined numbered sections and colored dividers, bridges the gap from pilot projects to full-scale production. This case study highlights a transformative journey in vendor risk management at a leading Middle Eastern bank. Legacy systems once struggled with manual reviews and overlooked critical contractual nuances, leaving compliance teams overwhelmed by continuous monitoring of over 1,000 vendors. The upgrade to Agentic AI, integrated with advanced platforms like LangChain and UiPath, changed the game. Autonomous agents now scan vendors weekly, identifying 15 critical risks that traditional methods missed. with zero system downtime driven by robust cloud resilience and a remarkable 50% reduction in review time. The bank's financial operations have been redefined. A $5 million strategic investment underpins this shift, ensuring board-ready reports are generated automatically, paving the way for a future where risk management is both efficient and forward-thinking. Turning attention to the transformative benefits for 2026 compliance, this slide outlines 4 key advantages that Agentic AI brings to financial institutions. First, speed and scale are enhanced as agents meet DORA's real-time reporting requirements, slashing compliance cycle times by 70%. Second, accuracy improves with self-auditing systems designed to mitigate biases and avoid penalties like the $25 million fine seen in high-profile cases. Third, substantial cost savings are achieved, with research showing a 40% reduction in back-office expenses and rapid ROI within 6 months. Finally, enhanced resilience is built through adaptive encryption and dynamic risk management that align with evolving Basel IV requirements. Together, these benefits illustrate a compelling vision of a compliant, efficient, and technologically advanced future. This slide maps out the 2026 regulatory landscape alongside evolving agent readiness. It presents a 2-column timeline with 4 pivotal milestones shaping financial compliance. In January 2026, the Digital Operational Resilience Act becomes mandatory, demanding real-time incident reporting. Come Q2 2026, the EU AI Act classifies high-risk AI systems, enforcing clear requirements for explainability and oversight. As the period 2026 to 2027 unfolds, major institutions like JP Morgan begin deploying autonomous agents, with Gartner forecasting that 30% of compliance tasks will soon be automated. Finally, beyond 2027, growing complexities such as quantum-resistant encryption and Basel IV standards will drive further innovations. The structured timeline, combined with crisp design elements, clearly communicates the urgency for financial institutions to adapt and thrive in a rapidly changing regulatory environment. Addressing real-world implementation, this slide tackles the key challenges in deploying Agentic AI. 4 major hurdles are outlined. Firstly, AI hallucinations can cause agents to produce fabricated or unsupported data, posing compliance risks. Secondly, integrating new systems with legacy infrastructure often creates friction. Thirdly, achieving full regulatory traceability is a complex task, as complete audit trails must be maintained under frameworks like DORA. Lastly, many banks face team capability gaps, with up to 78% struggling to upskill for modern AI technologies. To overcome these challenges, solutions such as retrieval-augmented generation, hybrid RPA agent bridges, and structured, safe, agile training programs are recommended. This critical analysis, reinforced by clear visual boxes and color-coded cues, underscores that while the journey to full automation is challenging, strategic approaches can effectively mitigate these risks. For those ready to embark on the transformation journey, this slide provides a clear Agentic AI roadmap. It advocates starting small, with focused pilots targeting specific regulatory requirements such as PSD3 payments or vendor monitoring. Accompanying this strategy is a curated list of essential tools and platforms, ranging from Hugging Face for open-source experimentation to AWS Bedrock and LangChain for secure, scalable deployments, and Neo4j for mapping relationships in complex datasets. Visual cues include progress charts that illustrate a $10K basic setup cost, a 6-month ROI timeline, and a 40% improvement in investigation speed. This roadmap, enriched by real-world insights from both MENA and US markets, sets a practical path for institutions to adopt autonomous systems, ensuring a measured yet dynamic approach to digital compliance. The future is autonomous. Are you ready? This slide underscores that Agentic AI is not mere hype, but the inevitable evolution of compliance technology for 2026 and beyond. Autonomous agents deliver unmatched speed, precision, and cost efficiency, transforming the management of compliance tasks compared to traditional RPA. The presentation highlights 3 key takeaways. First, initiate with focused pilots tied to regulations like DORA or PSD3. Second, build robust explainability frameworks and audit trails from day one. And third, invest in comprehensive team upskilling through agile methodologies. As financial institutions face mounting regulatory pressures and competitive landscapes, this clear call to action emphasizes the urgency to embrace autonomous systems and lead the charge in digital compliance.